A burger is a quiet essential American dish that is loved by all age groups. Let us tell you what exactly happens to your body after eating a burger. A single hamburger contains 500 calories, 25 grams of fat, 40 grams of carbs, 10 grams of sugar, and 1000 milligrams of sodium, which is enough to cause havoc in your system. It is worth noting that the average, condiment-free beef patty on a hamburger bun has about 266 calories and 10 grams of fat. The target for daily fat intake for an adult is between 44 and 77 grams a day, with just 10% of those grams originating from the dreaded saturated fats. Ground beef is, sadly, a food that exudes saturated fat, with a typical hamburger containing anywhere between 6.7 to 10 grams of saturated fat. According to the National Institutes of Health, daily consumption of red meat can really take its toll on your body. When we eat hamburgers, our body creates a buildup of a chemical called trimethylamine N-oxide during the digestive process, which leads to a greater cholesterol buildup along our artery walls, potentially contributing to heart disease. When that burger hits your bloodstream, which begins roughly 15 minutes after your first bite, you'll experience a massive surge of glucose as your body converts all those calories to energy. That triggers the release of insulin to offset the spike. Sometimes, a bit too much insulin, which leads you to feel hungry again in a few hours. Repeating this pattern can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to diabetes. Hamburger is also nutritionally deficient. So, eating a lot of hamburgers may result in a weak immune system, slow metabolism, and low energy level. That's why eating a hamburger every day is not a healthy choice, but if you are choosing it, try to add some fresh green vegetables like lettuce, tomato, olives, and onion, in order to get some essential nutrients. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.